So, good morning, students. Today, I am before you by taking one of the lessons of class 12th. It is the voter. We will discuss about the title first. Why the title is given to this lesson. First of all, I wanted to tell you about William Douglas. William Douglas is the writer of this lesson, and it is an autobiographical note. Whatsoever he faced in his life, he wanted to give to the students so that they can overcome the fear of anything. Means he was having fear of water, but whatsoever the fear you have to remove that fear anyhow, so that you can get success in your life. So, to start this lesson, it is a lesson when he was of 3 or 4 years old, when his father took him to the California beach. And at California beach, a heavy wave swept over him, and after that, he was having fear of water. His father was laughing, but he was having fear of water. When it started, he was 11 years old when he wanted to learn swimming. His mother warned him about the river's treacherous nature. Treacherous means decisive, धोखा देने वाली. So decisive nature the Yakima River have. That's why she warned him regularly about the drowning. But only one place it was safe where he can learn swimming, and that place was YMCA pool. The full form of YMCA pool is Young Men Christian Association. So whatsoever he wanted to learn, he doesn't want to go, or he didn't want to go with showing his skinny leg, because his legs they were somehow thin, and he didn't want to go there. Anyhow, as he wanted to learn swimming, that's why he controlled his pride and he went there. He started with his water wings 2 days, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. He copied other students and it was somehow easy. But one day the misadventure was held. This is the main thing. The misadventure was that when he was alone at the pool, no one was there, and he was not having so much courage to go into the water. One big bruiser of boy, he was a hefty boy, healthy boy. He came there and he asked him a question that do you want to dive in the water? And by speaking that one, what he did, he took him up and threw him into the water at the deep end of the pool. One side the pool was 3 4 feet deep, and other side it was 9 feet deep. So at the deep end, he threw him into the water. What happened after that? He was going into the pool in a sitting position. He was having fear of water, and he made a plan during his journey that whenever his feet hit the bottom, he made a big jump upwards. He lie flat on the pool, on the water, and paddled to the edge of the pool. When his feet hit the bottom, first time, he made a jump, but it was not useful. Whatsoever the jump he was made at that moment, his eyes and his nose it came out, but he was not having something to hold. He had seen something, but second time he also started to sink into the water. He wanted to clutch something, he wanted rope, he wanted ladder, but nothing to hold. Only the water. Only the yellow tin's water, the dark terrible water he was having at that moment. He was unable to see through the water. He only saw the water and water. So in the next video, I will explain the lesson once again also. So I hope that you understood the lesson well. Just read it, and whatsoever the problem you feel, you have to comment on me and subscribe my channel also. Thank you. Have a nice day.